when I see the face and hear the voice, this is Chanel, aka Browning from the Big Bad series of Bartender. Now, I come to talk about something tonight. So, guess what? We all know Bartender is coming back October 3rd, right? You know? You know? Me know. Oh! So, ensure son already. October 3rd, 8 p.m. Sunday. Now go normal. So, we're doing this special now for this Sunday. And, you know, we're sitting and thinking about everybody love Bartender. No doubt. And guess what? Everybody start love one apartment. No doubt. So, guess what? You know what we feel that we want to do? How would that feel if we make the one apartment cast reenact some scene in a Bartender? Mind blown. I know me I look forward to it. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as well. So with further ado, let's just begin. I'm going to introduce you to the cast. Ready? So first we have Junior Williams. Everybody know him as Dallas. Hey Dallas.
Bless you.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Sure?
Every time.
Sure.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
So we'll have our next castmate. Tamara Burns.
Oh.
Hi Tamara.
Hi.
Tamara come out strong with our one order Black Lives Matter.
One
Puff right
apartment.
here, so one apartment hairstyle. So we'll have the next person. We have Cornelius Grant. Him there. Hey Paul.
Hey!
You alright?
I'm good!
Are you ready?
Like Freddy!
Make sure. So the next person is Patrick Williams. Him there.
Patrick Williams. Patrick Wildman.
So
Step in, Mr. Pepin! And guess what? Me not Williams.
Mr.
Wildman, because he's a
Wildman.
very wild one.
And we also have Stacey and Maxwell. What's your day?
Brenda on the scene.
You do.
So I realize you change the color here.
Lincoln love this.
Oh. I'm sorry. So I have the married lady now where she's there. Miss Morrison Salman, come over here so we can pass.
Everybody.
Tell me about the hat. Come in and understand it. Yeah, no cool. Okay guys, so this is the one apartment crew where everybody know and love. Me love them, Uno love them, everybody love them. So guys, I ask a question. Uno ready for reenact one scene of Bartender?
Anytime you're ready.
Remember, all people them staying up. Remember, with 99.6K followers staying up, we have to do with justice and ready? Ready?
100.
Alright. So, okay guys, thank you so much and good luck.
Alright. Bring it out.
Yeah. Me that asked if we could come back before.
Get up. Okay guys, so first scene we're going to do is season 1, episode 1. Everybody know that when Browning come for the work, Dog Bed come for look at Browning, and Goody just don't know what to do with herself. So let's get into it.
Yes, girl. Yeah. See, never know so that I go on. At them things that go around here. Yeah, man. Look a place I go on with itself, man. That's a girl now if I come for an interview. Yeah. Watch her. She just walking. I'm going to call you back.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. What's your name?
Stacey said, but them call me Browning.
Where you know brown, miss?
No worry, son. I did brown when I'm younger, but you know that is come with age.
Alright, sit down. Give me a resume. You have any experience?
Yeah, I used to work at 5 bar, get fire at 3.
So where you go to those bag, miss? Food sell on the road, you know?
I like home cooked meals.
Alright. Yeah, but I'm not going to make this lap. Come and show you around yourself. You can leave that. Like what I see. What you know about bar? You know so the money keep on the air so and later them behind this, the TV stay on TVJ or CVM unless they must spend more than 5 grand. The bathroom, $50 I use, including you.
Me?
Including you. Alright. I'll soon come. One do what you're supposed to do.
Alright, Miss Goody.
I remember what I say.
Everybody will come about spend 5 grand. Yoy. Len me did Lenny mate. But Miss Goody never give me the remote.
Everybody wonder why me cut off my dread, but me know me not sleeping in a dark bed. What? New bartender. Good in there.
No, Miss Goody not here.
So, where the new bartender name?
Are you named dog?
She named Stacey and Maxwell. She's 25 years old. She come from Riverton. Them call her Browning.
Good.
When she was young, she look a browner. Go round, son. Go round there, son.
Good.
Go round there,
All the
son.
while of them things I come with no good, and them things I can't take with you, you know.
Now this you come about. Go round there, son.
All them come style, man, and them things like that. So what they make me sleep all night dog house, you know. Good day, you give me key for in there, good day, you run me in.
Go round at the dog
Me
bed.
now go back in there again, good day. Good day, give me key, now.
Go round at the dog bed. That me say.
In front of you bartender, you treat me so.
Miss, do you work now? This you come for do?
Sorry, Miss Goody.
Don't tell nobody about who you be and everything, yeah? I work here, work. I'll tell them about prices.
I was just being
Yeah?
polite, ma'am.
So that's a dog bed. See him and not see him. Here?
Browning. Browning. Take it up. Browning. Come like she nah see me. What kind of mad people they are going to get in my place? Browning!
Yeah, blessings. God is life. Yeah.
Shoppy. Sell me a rough top and a squeeze.
Yo, your body dirty.
What you mean?
Coming like say I come from under a 4 rows.
Say now and come. Why you tell me what you know about me? What you know about me?
Hey, I want the book. I want one. Hey. Yo, David, go on your woman.
Yo,
Shoppy, you and your woman.
Yo, you ever say who and your woman?
What one you saw? One what?
I'm a bartender woman, me at all.
Go around the circle there work.
Show you.
Bartender, let me get a Campari special now. No, as a matter of fact, make that a rosé. Bartender. No, man. Bartender. I said, may I have a rosé, please?
I never see me over yourself for a reason. Why your problem?
My problem is You are a bartender. You're supposed to attend the bar, not
That's
the
time you
customer.
attend to the customer. What is it you want, sir?
A rosé, me say, ma'am.
No have that.
How we going to get them original girl working at the place?
And how I going to get them crosses customer if you come antagonize me?
You know I want to make a report to good about you.
Backside you want a mic? Eh? You want me give a taxi fare or you want me drive you go to Miss Goody? Which one you want?
You're coming like school at Sunday daytime. No class.
One you a dead cocky boy.
If I ever just drop down and laugh out here, so would I just see what happened a while ago? Anyways, so like how them just play bartender, we have to judge it. So it's just only right to call the big bad bartender original gang. 5, come out here, so. What's your day? Hey, 5.
Hi guys.
5 the year, so who else after the back are? Shoppy, come over. And from one rasta to the next, who else? Dog bed.
Baddest dog in town, you hear that?
What about my original bartender crew?
Cool is that?
Ooh.
You already know.
Rooney, you know.
We look good?
Yeah, I'm Rooney, you know.
And I'm here alone just see what happened. We just see too.
Some money for things must say I go on, you know.
Man.
You know who
listen,
that?
everything one.
Everything I say? Shanice is everything?
I never use one eye.
Oh, okay.
Boy, the pressure dog bed though. Pressure. Good youth, you know, but the
Listen.
pressure.
So we could have slung here and talk the whole night about everything what happened a while ago, but you know what happened the right way? Like a judge what happened a while ago. So
That's
everybody
right.
just play each of a character. So we have something to say about each character we play, correct? We start about Shoppy. Shoppy, tell me if Junior bring justice to your people. Tell me that.
Man. I did want to talk before you even say nothing. You see when Junior do. That's something there. Him seal the Shoppy character.
We say.
Yeah man. Me give him 10 out of 10 for that performance there.
But you have to
understand
code
what
his
I'm saying?
life too.
But from him go code his life, you already know.
Rah!
So, if you get a 10 out of 10, let's give him a round of applause.
Well them Shoppy.
Good job, Junior, aka Junior Shoppy. Good job. 5. Come tell me. Can you be your
Why?
character?
5 character. But you make brownie company in your face. We no run them joke there. If you watch by the clip, you realize say a 5 start the war. So it's a 9 me go give, but I'm not gonna lie. You just sound like me one night time, you sound like me. Trust me, you sound like me. But I give you a 9.
You see it there? She gave her a 9 just because browning up in her face. Them just
start
straighten over browning. I'm just So dog bed, some boy your character waiting.
Yeah, be a thing no go on with the pressure. Yo, the pressure the youth, you know. It's not about dog bed at work. When I say DD, you mean a 3D, like every TV. You see me? Alright, you see the part where it work for me. You see when goody forward and the man do the look and the run.
Take off. Yeah
And the
man.
know
that's
it
for
go.
me.
Yeah man. I do run after
See
this
me?
thing.
Win 10.
Yeah man.
10.
10.
One next 10. 10, 10. Clap up for this.
But don't make them win me your youth. My dog bed move up. You see me?
So Browning,
Eh?
your
Yeah.
character.
What going for you?
Yeah, what going for
Yeah,
you?
what going for
My
you?
character?
Yeah.
My character bad. Me not ask Jesus for my character. My character bad. So the girl just put her something to it, but the girl goes so shopping.
It coming like she
What?
coming like she did subscription.
Our sister too.
The subscription to you
Yeah,
too.
man.
And you realize
CM
CM hair color,
Yes.
CM
CM
skin tone.
Yeah.
My favorite part,
Something, have
shopping.
to check out something.
I want a rough top and a squeeze.
Squeeze.
Everybody know the line. Far and we go.
Yeah.
My character get 10 out of 10. Me not ask Jesus. Good job, girl. Good job.
Wow, yes,
And if your character still in okay, see there? Look on the top. You have to do something in. You call in somebody in. You have to look everybody see. Alright, bro, then we're done with it.
Brownie will never die. It will not work. It will not work.
Make a stay so.
Eh? I'm from a band. Okay, guys, so bartender crew, original bartender crew, junior bartender crew, one apartment gang. I just want to say I do appreciate all of you. Like tonight was just a blast. And if we enjoy it, so with 99.6 supposed to be 99.9 by this time. We're supposed to enjoy it, so.
But check it. I'm still here wondering. Is y'all ready for season 5, October 3rd?
You ready? Everybody I talk about what me don't know more. What me need to know what everybody don't know? Oh, October the 3rd. Fly out like a bird.
October 3rd. I want Sunday that though. Bartender season 5? I don't say? But now I say it. Good night, guys. Enjoy it. And make sure it's on the stay tuned because like I'm say, this I got epic. Everybody say bartender. Don't let my drink run out. Bartender.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so very much.
You are well.
Just talk to my lawyer.